Let's talk about how this will work. I'm going to go over every section, and in every section there will be some assignment or a printout or a list of bullet points, something that will help you get past that section, something to help you develop either your blog name or your domain name or your tagline. Every section is created to help you go from one to the next, each section learning a new skill until we get to the end of this course. Now, before we move on to Blogging 101, you have an assignment. I want you to print out your first exercise. You're going to make a list of your favorite blogs. Then you're going to write down why you like them and what you would do differently. Then you're going to describe some of the things, or elements, I should say, that you enjoy about the blog. Is it the color? Is it the graphics? Is it the images? Is it the content? What they're writing about? What they're sharing? Make a list of all of the things that you really enjoy of your top 5 blogs.